if you're watching this in 2026 and still saying, I'll start trading later, you might be making a bigger mistake than you think. Now, because right now, 2026 might actually be the best time to start trading in Deriv. Not because trading suddenly became easy, not because they are magical bots, and definitely not because profits are guaranteed, but because traders today have advantages people never had before. Let me explain. As I start, I want to welcome all of you to the DerivNavigator Academy. All right. So, a few years ago, many traders were entering the market almost blind. All right. There were no proper analysis tools. There was very little educational content. There was no communities, no YouTube tutorials, and most beginners learned by losing money. I being one of them, okay? And by the time they understood the market, they had already blown multiple accounts. But look at today. In 2026, everything has changed. Now, today you can literally open your phone and learn almost anything. Like in our channel, we have over 800 videos that contain various strategies you can use in Deriv, all right? You want to understand over one, we have tutorials for you. Want to understand volatility behavior, there are videos. Want strategy explanations, they are there, okay? Communities are sharing ideas every day, and you can learn in 1 week what traders years ago needed months to understand, okay? Information is no longer the problem. The challenge now is filtering good information from bad information, okay? Now, this is another big reason, all right? There's another big reason. What is it? Now, traders today have access to analysis tools that make things easier. Okay, you can study digit percentages, you can monitor market behavior, you can use your demo account, you can test strategies without risking your real money first, which years ago, many traders jumped, years ago actually, many traders actually were testing out various strategies with their real accounts to see if they're working or not, okay, which was a very bad move actually, okay. Today, you can actually practice fast, and that will change everything, okay. Again, most people usually think that I need a huge balance, I need a big account, but not really. One of the biggest changes today is accessibility, okay? You do not need thousands of dollars just to begin. You can start small, okay? But first of all, focus a lot on studying fast. Test out the strategies you have learned, okay? Gain experience, and then once you see you're profitable enough in your demo, you go to your real, okay? Because trading is not a race, all right? The goal isn't starting with the biggest balance. The goal isn't how fast you start after you start learning. The goal is surviving long enough to become skilled, okay? Yeah, the biggest mistake that I see people make is this. Now, whenever people hear that 2026 is when you see the video saying 2026 is the best time to start trading, you might think that this means money is easy now, but I'm telling you, it is not. All right? Yeah, trading first of all is usually difficult by itself. Markets still punish emotional decisions. Greed will destroy your accounts. Bad risk management still exists. The market did not become easier. You simply have better tools and better opportunities than before, which is a very, very big difference. Okay? Yeah, and now this is why waiting actually can be risky. And here's a thought, all right? Imagine waiting another 2 years, then in 2028 you look back and say, I wish I started learning in 2026. Okay? Because trading takes time. Experience takes time, discipline takes time. Nobody wakes up profitable overnight. No one. And if somebody ever tells you such a thing, run away from them. The earlier you begin learning, the earlier you begin building experience. Okay? 2026 is not the best year because money is easier. 2026 is the best year because education and tools and communities are better and bigger. And learning is fast and opportunities are everywhere. Okay? Please remember to not rush. Do not chase fast profits. Always use your demo account to test out new strategies, new bots, new setups, okay? And please protect your balance and focus on learning more before earning, okay? Because the traders who survive are not always the smartest. Sometimes they're simply the most patient. Okay, yeah, so guys, please ensure you take all this into account. Be ready. Okay, so in case you want to create an account in Deriv, the link is in the description. Yeah, create an account, register, start going through the demo at least to see what it involves. Start practicing. We have a lot of videos for you on our channel. We have made a lot of videos for you. Okay, you can just go there. You'll be able to. I don't even be able to show you a couple of videos that we have. Let me show you. Yeah, because it can be really, really nice for you guys to at least see how much material you have access to. Okay, you have access to so much material, so much. Okay, yeah, and if you have any question at all, you can always feel free to ask. All right, yeah, we'll be there to guide you every step of the way. So basically, you come and search the name of the channel. Once you search the name of the channel like that, all right, you just scroll a bit, you'll be able to see our channel. Sorry, is here. So basically, you come and click on the name of the channel. Now let me get out of here. Now you come and click on the name. Don't click on the playlist first. Come and click on the name so that you're able to be directed to our channel center. All right. Let me remove that. So once you come here, let me scroll a bit. So you come to playlist. Assuming this is the first time you've entered into Deriv. Once you come to playlist, come and look for a playlist called Introduction. It is right here at the bottom. You can see it right here. Introduction. Come and click on View Full Playlist. Once you click on View Full Playlist, you'll be able to see all the videos. You have 25 videos that are basically tailored to beginners, all right? That is why it's called the Introduction Playlist. Yeah, you can come here. You can see our first video here, New Deriv, start here. And you also have this one, Deriv Introduction for Beginners, how Deriv works. It is 55 minutes long. You can check it out and so much more, okay? You also have another introductory video here. Actually, this one is the most viewed video you have, how to trade on Deriv and so on. Okay, so please start your trading journey today. And once you click on any of our videos, like let's say you've decided you'll watch this video number 12. So once you click on it to watch it, all right, I want to show you an example how you can start signing. So basically, let me pause. So when you come down here, you'll be able to see open your Deriv account using the link. Click on that link, create an account. After you create an account, watch the video. I've given you every step by step that you should follow. Okay, in case you feel you do not know how to create an account, we've also made a video for you here. As you can see, how to create a Deriv account from scratch and so much more. So please ensure, guys, you check it out. Yeah, 2026 is the best time, okay? Don't wait, just start learning, okay? Start learning, start building slowly by slowly, and you'll gain experience. Because when most people think about trading, they think about, oh, I will lose money, it involves a lot. But the same way, if you want to build a house, a 2-story house, a 3-story house, okay? Even if you want that house to be completed tomorrow, it is impossible. You have to let the builders take one stone at a time, one stone at a time, one stone at a time, until eventually you have a beautifully furnished house. The same way as trading, the same way as acquiring information. You acquire one piece of information at a time, at a time, at a time. Before you know it, your information skills are fully furnished, okay? So start learning, guys. You have every video, we have a lot of playlists for you. After you finish the introduction playlist, you have the Derivable playlist, the Over-Under playlist, Rise and Fall, and so much more. Okay? Yeah, so guys, please ensure you check it out. In case you have any question, I will put you can comment down below, or you can WhatsApp us. My WhatsApp number will be in the description. Yeah, basically to get any clarification. Okay? Again, if you do not have bots also and documents, please ensure you get them. We have them. Please ensure you contact us on our description. Okay? But others, guys, I hope most of you will take chance to at least start learning it. Okay? I'm not telling you to start trading in Deriv. No, create an account, start learning. After you start learning and you see consistently profitable after practicing, that is when you can switch to your reel. Okay, as I've said, you have everything. So in case you want to look for a particular video, come to playlist, look for the particular category of the video you want to watch, click on that particular category and start watching those videos. Okay, in case you don't know how to deposit, you just come and click on the depositing in the Deriv playlist. You'll be able to see all the videos here. Okay, how to deposit in the Deriv, avoid depositing and withdraw, delays, how to, and so much more. Okay, others, guys, thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for watching. Please ensure subscribe and like, it will be highly appreciated. And if you can, please share, it will also be highly appreciated. Yeah, please, guys, start the best time. Yeah, there usually, yeah, don't just wait to be ready, just start. Okay, just start. And in case you have any difficulty, I'll be here to make sure I guide you through. Okay, others, guys, thank you very much for being here. Keep on trading, keep on pushing, and let us meet in the next one. Cheers.